All right. First off, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. It's been a long time coming. So let me just say, for those who don't know, what's up? I'm Chop God. Quick shout out to all the producers that have been rocking with me since my first kit. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Super excited here today because I get to personally introduce my newest kit. It's Retrograde effects preset kit for RC-20 Retro Color. So let's get into it. Now, if anybody that knows me knows that I just like my favorite effects. I use it on pretty much anything. Like the last kit I just did, the 4.5, like literally dripping with all of these. And start from the top. Wait, so I use wait. Let me grab one real quick. All that extra chip you hear in it, it's bubble to it. Put it in a mix, it'll cut right through. Either way, I definitely do. I definitely do. Again, another 808, same thing. Crushed. But the good thing about this is that it doesn't just have to be, for some extra feel, whatever you're trying to accomplish. Now we're getting to the actual ones that I guitar riff. Yeah. Yeah, I love it because it's like really super spacey. Not as spacey as the other one, but it's kind of got like a gentle, older feel, especially with the wobble. Like it's like barely even there. You can barely hear it. I've been really messing around with trying to capture feeling. A lot more exaggerated, but put this on some keys, man. one is just basically messing with the dropouts. Dropouts are pretty much just volume cutting in and out, going from high to low, high to low. You know, capture a feeling. You know what I'm saying? That reminds me of like I don't know, like I said, like I named it, you know, copter, kind of like a, you know, helicopter blades. Like I would imagine, you know, it's like real fluttery. This I use like lead guitars. So like it's like real bassy, you know. I wanted to like kind of cut out some of that, you know, cut out some of the highs on that. All of this is like fully customizable. That's what I like really love this plugin. All something different. Again, it doesn't just have. You can throw it on your drums too. Put us on a lead and just go, man. Broken record, just horror-ish, poppy vinyl, just to go with it. Like it just is mono, pop it out of mono, stereo. That way, or you can come here and just put this wobble in stereo. It's something special about this plugin, man. If you ain't got it, I suggest you get it. Tell in. they was thinking when they did this, but this is definitely something. All different textures, man. All of them. Even use these on vocals too. Get creative. Yeah, man. I appreciate you, rocking with me. Yeah, go ahead and get that pack. Only $10. Like I said, just it's all about creating a feel. This definitely gives you a taste of what this plugin can actually do. See you guys next time.